food review. I've already started eating some. This is from Baking with Big Dudes, and we're gonna be doing a food review. Can you please tell me what flavors we have here?
This is banana foster. This is apple cinnamon, and then we have some sweet potato.
Okay. Kylan really likes this one. He's already ate some of it, so we're gonna try this one out first. Oh, that's flaky.
I know. Look at that. It's so moist. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Oh, this is good.
I'm like,
Mommy.
I'm sorry.
What's this Spider-Man?
I'm really supposed to be taking one bite out of all of these. Oh, that's real. Y'all, there is a filling.
Where's the Spider-Man pen? Where's the Spider-Man paper?
Oh, that's good.
Now, where's the Spider-Man
Crunchy.
paper?
If you're a sweet person,
This is good.
Yeah.
And even if you don't like the pies.
all right, guys. She's already took a bite.
Sorry.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh. This is good too. It is so moist. I cannot stand dry sweet. Oh my gosh, I cannot stand dry sweet.
This is actually really good, guys.
It's like caramelized.
I'm a big fan of this frosting because it's not overpoweringly sweet. It pairs very well with the cake.
It's a cream cheese frosting.
Wait.
Oh my God, those apples are so good. Caramelized?
Yes.
Very good. This is the one I've been waiting for.
We already know this is amazing. We already know it's good. We're just sharing it with y'all.
Yeah. All right. Look at that.
Yes. And this is banana foster.
This is my absolute favorite one, guys. This is like a nut. Tender. This is like a nut bun cake, but 10 times better.
Yeah. This him right here.
Crunchy, sweet, soft. If you're a texture person, this is it. Look at that.
That's it.
It's so good. Go try out
Baking with Big Dudes.
Baking with Big Dudes. I will put his handles down here in the caption. Say I sent you for 5% off. Thank you guys so much for coming and watching this video. Please, let's help support small businesses. This is extremely good, guys. I will not lie to y'all. But yeah, based in Jacksonville, Florida. If you're here, I don't know if he ships. Send a DM and find out, guys. But thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in another video.